Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook New Zealand spinach. First, ensure your spinach is clean by rinsing it well under cold water. Next, trim off any tough stems or discolored leaves to prepare it for cooking. New Zealand spinach has a slightly different texture than common spinach, so a quick blanching can be beneficial before sautéing or adding to dishes. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and tender result. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out the natural flavors of New Zealand spinach. Start by heating about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once warm, add some minced garlic or shallots and cook for around 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Then, add your prepared spinach and sauté for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully wilted and tender. New Zealand spinach is incredibly versatile and can be used in many dishes. After blanching, it's excellent in quiches, frittatas, or savory tarts, adding a lovely green color and earthy flavor. For a fresh approach, you can also add the younger, more tender raw leaves to your salads, offering a unique, slightly tangy note. Don't forget to blend cooked spinach into your morning smoothies or green juices for an extra nutritional boost. To finish your New Zealand spinach, a simple seasoning often works best. A pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten its flavor beautifully. For an extra kick, consider adding a dash of nutmeg or a few red pepper flakes. These small additions can truly elevate your dish. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.